Is that good? Can you show me more? How do you do? You're gonna have more chicken? Yeah, very good. Can you say? Say more? More chicken? Huh? Tell me. Tell me. Is that hot? Hot? Do you have to blow on it? How do you blow on it? How do you do? Can you show me a smile? How do you smile? Yeah, he's coming. How do you smile? Very nice. Very nice smiling. Are you having more? Ooh. Is that good? Is it hot? Can you say... How do you say Dalton? How do you say? You don't remember? Can you wave bye-bye? Wave bye-bye to Mama. Bye-bye. Do. Bye-bye. Can you say hi? Yes, it's hot. Can you wave hi to Mommy? Hi. Oh, very good. Thank you. What else? What else can you say? Ooh, broccoli. Uh-oh.